Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Play Store Network Preference. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Play Store Network Preference. So, this is very useful if you're using a data only and you started to want to save your data. For example, there's what we call automatic video play when you scroll in Play Store and it automatically plays a video. So that gains or that gets data from you if you're using data and you don't want your data to go very fast and you just want to save up some data so you can have more data. This video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, and once you're here, click on your profile on the top right corner. After clicking on profile in the top right corner, click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on network preferences. After doing that, as you can see, app download preference. So as you can see, over any network, so that means if I'm using Wi-Fi or data, I will be able to download. But now we're going to use only Wi-Fi, so I won't waste my data. And right here, you can also do auto update. You auto update when you are using Wi-Fi only. Very good. And now we have autoplay videos. This is what I'm talking about earlier. So there you go. You can use autoplay video over Wi-Fi only. So there you go. Don't make it autoplay videos at any time because it charges data. So um, it will minus your data or it will get your data. What I mean about data, because in the Philippines we call it data. It's like a mobile data. It's like an internet but on your phone. So yeah, I think all countries have that. So yeah, it's not actually data, but it's like data the internet. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: if I was you, I would just put everything on Wi-Fi only. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.